Hello, it's another episode on Tech with Ninana, and today we are going to give you 5 AI tools for teachers. If you're a teacher, this is for you. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more. AI tools can be valuable resources for teachers to enhance classroom instruction, streamline administrative tasks, and provide personalized learning experiences. Here are 5 AI tools that teachers may find beneficial. Number 1. SCRE AI. SCRE AI is an adaptive learning platform that uses AI to tailor educational content to individual student needs. It assesses each student's strengths and weaknesses, adapting the curriculum accordingly to provide targeted learning materials. This tool can be particularly helpful in addressing diverse learning styles and pacing within a classroom. Number 2. Quillons. Quillons is an AI-powered content creation tool that helps teachers generate quiz questions, lesson plans, and instructional materials quickly. Teachers can input a topic or concept, and the tool uses natural language processing to create questions and content. This can save teachers a significant amount of time in preparing materials. Number 3. Dreambox. Dreambox is an AI-driven mass education platform that adapts to each student's proficiency level and learning style. It provides interactive math lessons and activities that are tailored to the individual needs of students. This platform tracks students' progress and provides real-time feedback to both students and teachers. Number 4. EdPuzzle. This is an AI-enhanced video platform that allows teachers to create interactive video lessons. Teachers can add questions, quizzes, and discussions to videos, providing an engaging and interactive learning experience. The platform also tracks student progress, helping teachers identify areas where students may need additional support. Number 5. Grammarly. Grammarly may not be an exclusive educational tool, but Grammarly can be a valuable resource for teachers and students as well. Grammarly uses AI to provide real-time grammar and writing suggestions. Teachers can recommend it to students for proofreading and improving the quality of their written assignments. Thank you for being with us, and I hope you enjoy the content. Leave your comments below and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.